everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make one of my absolute favorite breakfast sauces, which is hollandaise sauce. So I used to love Eggs Benedict. It was probably one of my all-time favorite breakfasts. And since going vegan, I don't think I've had it all that much. In the last 2 years, probably I've only had one like twice maybe, and they were always at restaurants. So this is gonna be my first time making hollandaise sauce, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm super excited. It's super easy, actually, very simple. And yeah, we're gonna try it out together and hopefully it turns out amazing, and then you can add it to your list of recipes. Okay, all you're gonna need, your choice of gluten-free flour, or you could use regular flour if you are not gluten-free. I'm not gluten-free either, but I do happen to just have this oat flour in my cupboard, so I'm gonna use oat flour, and then just soy milk, water, a little nutritional yeast, a little garlic powder, some Dijon mustard, salt, and lemon juice. And that's it. Oh yeah, and coconut oil. The first thing we're gonna do is put coconut oil on the stove, and then we're gonna mix in some of the flour, and then we'll put water, milk, and the spices. All right, let's do it.
All right, so once your oil is hot on your pan, you wanna add in your flour of choice. I'm using oat flour here, and then just whisk it together till it just forms like this kind of small little paste. Then once it's hot, you wanna add about half a cup of dairy-free milk of your choice. I'm using soy milk. Then just for ease, I'm using the same cup, and you want to add about a 1/4 cup of water. Next, you want to squeeze in about half of a lemon. And then whisk that all together. You want to keep whisking pretty much consistently. It's only going to take a couple of minutes to cook, so make sure you're constantly stirring. Next, you're going to add in your Dijon mustard. Add about 1 tablespoon. Then again, mix to combine. Next, you want to add in your sea salt. And a little bit of garlic powder. And next, you're gonna add in your nutritional yeast. I'm honestly obsessed. It is so high in protein and it's so good for you, so many B vitamins. I'm gonna add in about 1.5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And again, just mix that all together. You want the heat to be on pretty like medium to high. You want it to start bubbling, and then once it's bubbling, you can kind of lower it down and let it simmer. But it is gonna continue thickening as it cools. Final and most important step for that eggy flavor, add in this Kala Namak black salt. If you don't have, you can get it on Amazon for about $10, maybe even less. And that's it right now. It's actually pretty thick. You can't really tell from here, but it is really thick. And yeah, it turned out really good. For some reason the audio wasn't recording on this last scene here, but it turned out amazing. I ended up having it on a vegan omelet. And yes, thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.